sociology teacher.
Why?
She's making me ride the bus and watch people.
That's stupid.
I know.
What do you have to do that for?
To collect data on how people interact in public spaces.
Is there some specific bus you have to take?
The one to Sacramento and back. It's like an hour trip each way.
Oh, sounds fun.
Yeah, I know. Hey, I was actually thinking of making a night of this whole bus ride thing. Do you want to come with me?
I don't know, maybe.
Do you have plans with Elliot? Never mind then.
Actually, I could use an excuse to get out of the apartment. Elliot's been acting really weird lately.
What's he doing?
I don't know. He's just been acting weird. I think he might be seeing someone behind my back.
What makes you think that?
I don't know, he just like comes home late or just doesn't come home. It's just a feeling. It's really suspicious.
Okay, I know I don't know Elliot as well as you.
Obviously.
But he's the most sensitive person that I know. I can't imagine him cheating on you with another girl. Tell you what, you get ready, come with me, and it'll take your mind off things.
All right, let me just grab a few books and we'll go.
Remember when that movie grew?
But not in a good way.
You know, trust that if someone were to make a movie about making bad movies, they'd put a scene in this movie.
The only good thing about that movie was Chris Evans. But I think we all know what part of the night I like.
Yeah, I heard about your night. Things are going well with your new guy?
Yeah, it's great.
You know, it's so hard to find someone in Davis.
I know, the gay community here is so limited.
And if you break up with one guy...
Everyone knows about it.
You're lucky. I'm happy for you. You know, let me know how things go.
Yeah, just didn't know I have to start driving to Sacramento to find a guy.
Did you know him before?
No, we met at a party, but we're getting to know each other the more we go out.
Hey, when things get a little more comfortable, can you invite him over?
We can go out for drinks.
I promise I won't try and steal him. Oh, are you done? I got a few more things to do.
Yeah, I'm done. I might give him a call. Maybe make that next dinner happen sooner rather than later.
Hey, call me.
I'm here to help.
Everything we need is downstairs.
Okay, you lead the way. So, you sound pretty stressed on the phone. Is everything all right?
Guess I just need a friend.
Julie?
Yeah.
Thought things were going well. What happened?
I think I'm gonna have to break up with her.
What? Why?
Haven't been treating her right and...
Wait a minute. You guys have been going out for like 3 years now.
Right, listen. That's the only reason I asked you here, is that you're someone I can trust.
Everything said here stays here.
Okay.
You know you can trust me.
Yeah.
What, did you cheat on Julie?
Yes, I did. It's just,
It's not like you.
I know, I didn't mean to. It's just something...
Who and when?
Something I've been struggling with for a while now, and...
Elliot, who was it?
It was a guy. It was this guy at a party. I need to tell Julie that I cheated on her with a guy. I'm gay, Liz. I'm gay.
Are you sure?